who else love rice like my husband, whether being rich rice or local rice, make it just be rice. Oh yeah guys, let's prepare this delicious low budget fried rice. All the ingredients wey I wan use now be this. I get my chicken and my roasted turkey here. You can't like this roasted turkey these days, not be small. I carry all of them, pour them inside the pot as I don't wash and finish. Cut my onions put. Remember say this rice now just anything just enter, because I did very tired at this very point. No time to arrange anything for inside plate to they show you this one and my maggi, this one and my salt. My dear, I add everything addable inside. I can't notice say my curry don't finish for house. I got to use curry masala, which is Indian curry. Carry everything put inside. This one are the things when I buy from market, arrange them for their various position, because one thing now to the cook, they can't they see many scatter things for granted. They make the cooking tire me. Carry my water and pot, put it inside fire, then come measure my rice. I add my 10 cup of this rice when I buy from Wosu. Guys, if you dey find better rice where you go take cook your rice, or your visitor go they ask you about which rice be this, because just rush into Wosu app now to get one for yourself and thank me later. They also sell all African food items here in the UK, and they deliver to all postcode. The link will be under the comment section, or the address of their shop will also be under the comment section in case you want to do walk in. My rice don't parboil. I carry and go wash and carry and come back. Pour this my chicken and turkey mixed stock joiner. Then add all the same ingredients when I first put for inside my chicken. Add them inside except the thyme and the bay leaf. Then do better turning and turnable. Test and whether salt and maggi don't enter. Because hubby don't like pepper, I add these 2 pepper for inside, like say na Ghana food that they cook, so that I go suffer they use hand, they cut and chop, because at that very time to eat food when pepper no they not just hungry me at all. Anyways, we don't get choice than to make hand the way hubby one time, because now make me they make the food. So this one of my pro, I fry and to remove that excess water, because when they carry water follow body where then can go sieve the water come out, clean my pan, add another extra water, then fry my turkey and also fry my chicken joiner, mix everything together, make it for fry and friable. At this point now to use the same time to carry all the plantain come out. You guys know say hubby no fit eat rice, or he hardly eat rice with tap plantain not follow, I mean say that food not go down well at all. Don't cut and finish, carry all the dirty go throw away. They come flip the back of this chicken and turkey together. Wait, just check out this rice. You see the way they take this canteen, and you don't know, you know they join together at all, and the shiny is something else. Now I don't fry all this turkey finish. I carry and come up for inside. Oh yeah, so I can add the other batch joiner, make it just fry and friable. Anyway, at this point I don't fry and finish. I carry all the plantain, pour them inside the same oil. At this point not to step down as the throat don't dry. You know they tell me say give me this one, make I use this step down. Now I don't carry all the plantain come out inside oil, then pour the remaining one, pour them inside. Then let them they fry and friable. Check out this one now. For here my man they tell me say bring and but we shall not test as a good wife. Then bring out this my clean pan, carry and put all inside fire, then pour oil inside as one use and fry the liver. As I'm not going to use the same oil to fry my veggies, I add them small so that I go fit throw away them, because I know they like use the oil while to fry my liver, use and cook my veggies. As this brother knows say today now everybody answer your papa name, instead of shower waka go carrying juice by himself, because you know say disturbing mommy today will not even work at all. If not be my husband, I don't see what they use liver till they do for inside my fried rice, so I shall just make sure say everything that will make the smell come up for inside that liver. Now what I do, I pour my onions on top, they use and fry and go sieve and come out, make the oil soften, they drain out. Along the line, now this small brother just they cry for bread. Now I say as a good mother, make I garnish am by putting mayonnaise and hot dog. Since he never chops his money, you know they agree eat. Oh boy, now the way I take fry and liver, and I say take liver for there, no even chop one for inside. Is that not waste of time? I don't carry on my seasoning, pour them inside the oil, then pour this cow liver, pour them inside, then go fry them first, then add all the vegetable, pour them inside, then do better stirring. As I know they want me my veggie overcook, then do small stirring, add this prawn when I already drain out the water for inside oil, then do better stirring and stirrable, at least make the veggies still they crunchy for mouth. I don't stir and finish, then carry small butter, add them on top. Remember I say we not to add oil for inside that rice, now only the oil when come out for the chicken I did there, so we guys put something to make the fried rice they shiny and shineable. As I not get the strength to do do step-by-step frying, like carry small vegetable, add the small rice, fry am together. I sha put hole for inside the rice, then pour all the veggies inside for easy access if I want to turn am turnable. So I turn am put inside finish. Na to use 2 spoon take raise the bottom to up, raise the bottom to up as my mama take teach me how to stir heavy food. Then switch to a bigger spoon wey go fit dey reach top and bottom. Then some fit dey do digging like say na shovel when you take dey raise sand dey put inside wheelbarrow. Then clean the cleaning and cleanable like my kitchen spot area. Leave the plate as well be say make I go bathe, im go help me wash the plate. Remember, hubby will only help you wash the plate but never clean your sink for you. Have you not try? As I come by, see say e don splash water everywhere. Now so fit clean my cleaning and cleanable because after that na to go lie down. I don't want to come back see everywhere mess up. Then carry this special toothbrush when I keep for this special area only. Put my soap, then use am brush that particular spot as na only brush fit dey enter there. Then do the cleaning and cleanable. At this time we are done, guys. Bye. See you in my next video.